Hi everyone, I hope all of you have a nice summer and enjoy the life. Let's see what representation we are going to create today. You see it's look beautiful. Let's start to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we are going to format the background, and for the background color we must use one of these colors. We are going with this color. I think it's good. Also, this is nice. Let's go with the blue one for now. After that, we need to create these shapes. For creating them, it's also an easy task. We need to create a rectangle, and then by holding Ctrl, create a copy of them, go to shape format and align them center and middle. Then we need to increase them in size by holding Ctrl 1, 2, and the last one 3. Okay, we select all of them, we gave them some shadow, inner shadow, and then we set no line. Now it's time to color them up. For the color we are going to use this blue, this, and then this blue. And at the last we are going to use this blue. Okay, now we select all of them and paste them in the place they should be, and then by holding Ctrl, create a copy of them and then rotate it to the angle we want. It's good. Now we just simply paste the text. Now copy that here. We apply the background to all. Here we select this and this and increase them in size by holding Ctrl. You see, then we need to bring this thing to front. Bring this two to front. For the problem to not happen again, we need to bring this two to front. Okay, you see we have a problem here. How we can make the problem not happen? We need here, select these two and these two and bring them, and this frame, select these two. It's a tricky selection, but you can do it. After that, go here and bring them to front. You see, now we copy this slide, select the last layers and increase their size by holding Ctrl and Shift. Then we just simply delete this thing and use the text we have and paste it here. Then we select this three thing and bring them to front. See, the problem is what we select another thing that we must not select. Let me just select this three thing and go here. Bring them to front. Okay, now we copy that. And here we need to, after copying that, we need to increase their size and this size, and we need to send it to back. Now we copy another text, and then we bring this two to front, and after that bring this text to front. Now we copy that here, increase the size, and then after increasing the size, paste the final text. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's see it. If you like it, don't forget to tell me in the comments, and have a nice time. Until then, bye.